Welcome, WIN member. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join our Discord server so that you can receive your 30 days signals for your free trial. 30 days signals free trial. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll to the bottom here and you're going to look for the icon. Now, I have several windows open for this Discord server, so it may not keep the invitation on for long. Let me see. Okay, so you would click invite, accept invite, but in this case, I'm going to show you a different way. It disappeared, right? So I'm going to show you a different way on how to do it. In this case, I'm going to go onto Discord, and since I wasn't able to click the invite button, and it's probably because I have more than one Discord window open. So I'll just show you a different way. You can go to the bottom of the website. You can just right click on the Discord icon and then go ahead and copy the link address. Okay. So you'll go back to your Discord and you're going to click on add a server. This is just a different way of joining the server. Okay. You can click on join a server here if you already have an invite. And what you can do is just right click and paste. And it'll look like that, okay? And we're going to click on join server. And there you have it. Now this is how it is going to look when you're invited. So we're going to go ahead and click on whichever applies, you know. All right, I think I already came, right? Okay, so now the first thing you're going to do is you need to verify yourself. In order to be a part of this community, we have a strict anti-spam rule. So this is definitely to get rid of all the spammers. At one point in time, our Discord server was filled with spam. Just ridiculous. So you're gonna click on the green verify button. Once you click on the green verify button, you're going to then click on this gray verify button. Okay, and it will launch you, and you can go ahead and trust the verify bot. So you're gonna visit the website. Verify that you're human. And it's going to check your status. And once you're done, it's going to finish checking your status. And you're going to click on verify. And again, verify that you're human. Make sure to follow the instructions here. This one says, click on the motorized machines. All right, so click on verify, and they're going to finish it up, and boom, you got that green check mark. That means your verification was a success. Okay, and you have been granted access to the server. Now, once you're verified, you just go to the tab with the server. You're gonna go back on there, and you should be verified. Okay, now you'll know that you're verified because you can go to the introduction. This is important. Follow these steps. This is a part of the step process to get your 30 days free trial. So you're going to go to the introduction channel and introduce yourself. So you're going to put your name. All right. Put something like, hello, my name is, in this case, put Nate, and you put where you're from. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and the reason why you're here. I would like a 30 days free trial. Okay, signals. Okay, all right, and that's it. And then you type that, and that's your introduction. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and check on that. You're gonna get a message from the admin with further instructions on how you can gain access to your free trial. The message will just basically be an invite to the Google Docs so that you can start your free trial. Okay, and remember, there's you can always contact any of the admins if you need to, if you have any questions. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And if you follow these steps, then you'll be able to, if you need to see the admins here, you can click on the show members list here, and you can contact the admin. If you have any other admins up here that are available, you can contact them as well. And that's pretty much how you join the Discord server. Verify. It's also important to know that your account has to have a phone number verification. Sometimes you'll see something with the here, let me show you that really quick. Actually, I think I have an example here somewhere. Might be on this one here. Let's see here. Let's see. Sometimes you'll have an account that doesn't have a phone number associated with it. I think this one is one of those accounts. So I'll click on introduction, and yeah, here, perfect. Okay, so you'll have an account that will read, you must verify your identity in order to even be a part of this system. So you're gonna input your phone number here. Once you do that, Discord will verify that you're real, and it can't be a VoIP phone number. And if it's a VoIP phone number, let me put one in here for now. See. If you put in a VoIP phone number, they'll tell you, okay, please use a valid mobile phone number, not a VoIP or landline number. So it has to be an actual valid phone number with a mobile phone number with a SIM card. Any phone number with a SIM card associated with it counts as a phone number that you can use. Okay, so that concludes the tutorial on how to gain access to our 30 days free trial signal. Thank you for watching.